Niagara Falls, Lake Ontario, the Jordan Valley wineries, Niagara-on-the-Lake, golfing, and outlet shopping. If this sounds like a nice weekend getaway to you, you might want to have a look at the Hampton Inn, St. Catharines. The Hampton Inn, St. Catharines is a clean, modern, and affordable place to stay when visiting the Niagara area. Its location is central to outlet shopping, Niagara Falls tourist stuff, and the Jordan Valley and Niagara wineries. It is just off the Queen Elizabeth Way or QEW Highway, so getting around is quick and easy. The Hampton Inn offers its guests free parking, included Wi-Fi, an indoor pool and fitness center, as well as a business center and meeting rooms. There are also many different lounge areas if you happen to be traveling with friends and need a place to sit and relax together. There is an on-site Perkins family restaurant, as well as a Montana's and Kelsey's across the street. I thought it was particularly nice that the hotel's front desk area sells snacks as well as bottles of Niagara wine. The Hampton Inn has included a small breakfast buffet for guests, which is not particularly fancy, but it will hit the spot if you need something before you head out in the morning. It is the normal breakfast fare of eggs, sausage, muffins, waffles, fruit, coffee, and tea. I really like the rooms at the Hampton. They are clean and comfortable. They offer a variety of rooms from 2 doubles or 2 queens to 1 king, and accessible rooms if you prefer them. They have the famous Hampton Clean and Fresh Hampton beds, which are pretty comfortable. There are also rooms with a mini fridge and seating areas with large 50-inch TVs. They have nice big bathrooms with Neutrogena bath products and lots of water pressure. The new Travel Escapes team all agree that the location of the Hampton Inn St. Catharines is what is most appealing. Within a 10-minute drive, you can be shopping, sipping wine, or playing golf. It's a great home base to explore all the Niagara region has to offer. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if this was helpful, and we'll be back soon with more luxury travel ideas.